Hi everyone. Every day we use mobile phone, open apps, search on Google, send messages on WhatsApp and even on watching different type of YouTube videos. But have we ever thought for a moment how all of this actually work? Behind every tap, every search, every message, there is a secret language that computer can understand. That language called code. Just like we humans use English or some other language to talk with each other, computer need a special way to understand instructions. And Python is one of the most powerful and easiest language to talk to a computer. Okay, but before we move to the big programs, like we write big programs, we need to understand the basics because basics are the main part. It's important for us, like the for this basics, like we have to know about how to write the numbers, arithmetic, floating values, strings, because these are like the ABC of the coding. Without them we can't move forward. So today let's talk our very first step into the world of Python. By the way, I am Shagufta and I'll be your guide in learning Python from very basics to advanced. So first we have to know about how to write arithmetic operations in Python. So first we do like simple operation like addition, multiplication, division and some others like. So first we do like we add 2 plus 3 and then run the program. So its answer is 5. Now if I subtract like 10 minus 5. So answer is 5. Okay. If I divide something, like if I divide 10 divided by 2, so my answer is 5.0. So you can see that from the above two cases, the answer is integer. Like it's positive, it's negative, it's integer. But in third case, in which we divide 10 divided by 2, the answer is in decimal form. We also say that it's in the form of the floating form, because in Python also always gives us the values, actual values. They give accurate answers. Like these like 10 divided by 2 is fully divided. So if I divided 10 divided by 3, so let's see what happened. So you can see the answer is 3.333. But if someone asks that they don't even need the values of after the decimal point, they need only the integer. So how I can solve this problem? So we apply double slash 3 and then run this program, then you can see easily how we can find out integer value of this. So similarly we can do if we want the remainder of the expression. So if I for this case, if we need the remainder, so what we do now is apply this operation and then run this program. So our answer is the remainder is 1. Okay, let's talk about the types of variable. There are four types of variables like integer form, floating form, Boolean form, in string form. In first cases, we study these are the integers form and these are like the floating form. Okay. So now we can study about the Boolean form. Boolean is like something if I give them some answer and they give me the result that it's true or false, like the to make a decision, it's true or false. So for this we have to study, or we have take an example of a comparison operator. So first I will tell you how to write a comparison operator. Like if I say that 5 is greater than 10, so it's true or not. So let me check. Like I write in this cell 5 is greater than equal to 10. So when I run this program, you see it's false, because in Python language it's also false because 5 is always less than 10. So they also give us the result of false. In other case, if we take another example, like if we take I say that 10 is equal to 10. So yeah, it's true. In Python, if we have to say that this is equal to something, so we have to apply the equal sign in two times. So if I apply the symbol at not equal to, so how can I apply? So for this we use like 10 not equal to 10. So now you can see if I run this cell, it's false. So simple boolean, in the boolean, the answer is just true or false because they express the answer. Is it true or is it false? So in simple, we have to talk about, first we talk about the integers, then we talk about the floating points. In third, we discuss about the booleans, and now I will talk about the like the string format. For this I have to like type something, some words, what you like I like the my YouTube channel name, like this Logic Lab. So you can see, okay, now you see that the Logic Lab is printed. So further we move, like we define a variable, like to assign a number a name. Like if in algebra or in mathematics, like we do x is equal to 4, like we assign a name to a number, like we apply a number to a name, like that's x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So in Python, we simply say that a variable is like that you put values in the container and name the container is X. This is a simple word to explain the define of the variable. It's like it's like you assign a name to anything from where you put all the values, and these values are fixed for them. So simply like that, I in this example and in this program, I do like X is equal to 4. And for this, I have run that I do 5 x plus 5. So if I run this program, simply its answer is 9. I can't even mention, didn't mention in the next line there 4 plus 5, because I given the name, I give the value that the x is equal to 5. So in the next statement, they put the value of 4 plus 5 and they give me the value of 5. Now in this expression, above expression, I use only the one like variable like x. If we use so many variables, like if we use x is equal to x is equal to 5 4 and y is equal to 5, and we have to print x plus y. So now let's see what happened. What's the result? I run this program. So it's 9. So they automatically give the value of x 4 and automatically give the value of y 5, and then they sum 4 plus y, and then they print the value of 9. So these are the variables. Now let's move to and other example where we can see about all the thing, like we have to use the string and the integer values and also the boolean expression, from where we summarize our all the above introduction about all the above knowledge. So let's see. Okay, let's I write this a mini example or mini exercise. Here I mentioned that a person, a variable name person whose name is Tony and whose age is 51, and also I mentioned that Tony is genius. So think about that, pause for a minute and think how can we run this program. So, and also tell me in the comment box. I also read the comments. So first we introduce a variable name person, name is equal to Tony. Okay. The next variable name is age is 51, and the other is genius. It's true because you mentioned that it's that Tony is genius. So for this, we have to print the age, the name of the person, the age, and is genius. It's true or not. So we have to print the print name Sorry. Print, age, print is genius. So, so I see that I write the code, and also the first thing that I have mentioned this is the comment section. This is not included in the program, or it's not in the running process. It's only because you it's give us the information about the program, or like that I mentioned in the comment because I have to show this example, like a statement from where data given. So it's help us, it give us the information from other person. If I am a coder, you are a coder. But another person who don't even know about the coding and don't even think that what is this and what. So they think that they read them and then they understand. Okay, the name is the person name is Tony and age is this and is genius true, like all that stuff. So that's why I mentioned the comments. So if I run this program, so you see that the name is Tony, age is 51 and it's true. So you see that our program worked very well. All right, student, that's all for today. We learned the very basics. These all are very small, but very powerful for your coding journey. In the next class, we will move one step ahead. I will show you how you can talk to the computer, how to talk input from a user, how strings really work, and more. It will be very interesting, so don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you understand today's lesson, give yourself a clap because you are great. So, thank you so much.